Hey there! Tired of spending hours making traditional lasagna? Today I'll show you how to make the most incredible lasagna in your air fryer in half the time. And yes, it's just as delicious as the oven-baked version. Get ready for those perfect crispy edges and gooey cheese layers. You'll find all the ingredients in the description below. Let's make some magic happen. All right, let's kick things off by browning our beef mince in a skillet over medium-high heat. You want to break it up with your spatula as it cooks. We're looking for that beautiful golden brown color and those crispy bits that add so much flavor to our lasagna. Time to build those amazing flavors. We're going to toss in our diced red onion, red pepper, and that gorgeous garlic puree. Then pour in the wine. Listen to that sizzle. Followed by our stock, tomatoes, puree, and all those wonderful seasonings. The oregano and paprika are really going to make this sauce sing. Now we're going to let this beautiful sauce work its magic. Give it about 10 to 15 minutes to simmer away and thicken up. You'll know it's ready when it's reduced down and has this gorgeous, rich consistency. Not too wet, not too dry. Just perfect for layering. Here's where we start building our lasagna masterpiece. Give your baking dish a good spray with cooking spray. Don't skip this step, trust me. Then we'll start with our first layer of lasagna sheets. Make sure they're fitting nicely in your air fryer basket.
And if you want to improve your recipes, I'll share a little secret with you. The air fryer I use is great for all kinds of dishes. It's the one that helps me achieve those delicious results. If you're interested, you'll find the link in the description. You'll be surprised by the difference.
Time for the fun part. We're going to layer our meat sauce over those pasta sheets, then sprinkle that lovely cheddar cheese on top. Keep repeating these layers. It's like building a delicious tower of comfort food. If you're feeling extra indulgent, throw some mozzarella in there too. Now, cover your lasagna with foil. This is super important to keep all that moisture in while it cooks. Pop it in your air fryer at 340 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. The foil helps the pasta cook perfectly without drying out. When those 25 minutes are up, we're going to lower the temperature to 280 degrees Fahrenheit and remove that foil. This final 5-minute blast is going to give us that gorgeous golden brown, slightly crispy top that everyone fights over. Last but definitely not least, let your lasagna rest for 5 minutes before cutting into it. I know it's tempting to dig right in, but this resting time lets all those layers settle and makes for much neater slices. Plus, it'll be molten hot straight from the air fryer.